Yeah, guys, how's it going? What's new with you guys? Me, same shit, different day. Finally got some downtime to actually make a video. This poor truck hasn't been washed or cleaned in God knows how long in the last few years. Because I had so much shit going on, it's not even funny. I figured just do a little cleaning. Been working non-stop and constantly freaking dealing with other people's bullshit. It's not cool, man. Not fucking cool. So, with that being said, still around and whatnot. So, I had to go buy myself a new tape measure the other day, and why the fuck do you have a goddamn, whatchamacallit, a frickin' candy bucket for Halloween on your truck? So, anyways, gonna be ordering, hopefully I can order the parts I need for my Durango next week on Friday, and plus I'm gonna order some coil packs for this truck because I'm gonna do a bit of a tune-up on it. The oil change is already done, it's just I gotta get a new I already have the spark plugs, and here's the plugs I'm gonna be using is Champion Copper Plus. These are at point they're gapped at 0.041. And if you want to know the gapping and whatnot, go to O'Reilly's or somewhere. They'll have this little tool to find out which one's the right one to gap the spark plugs. So, plus, once I get a little extra money, I'm ordering a brand new front drive shaft for this thing too, so I can actually have a four-wheel drive back. I really miss this little truck a lot. So, the reason I'm gonna give this little truck that tune-up that it needs is because I'm gonna start driving it again and start shooting more videos in this truck. Plus, I need to get a new headliner. Kind of have something in mind for it. So, needs a good washing. So, and plus the reason I had to go get a new tape measure is because the other ones took a shit on me. So I'm gonna measure from here to the passenger side to get just a little light bar, just nothing too fancy, so I can have it on at night, or I don't know the regulations on that, but so I'm gonna put a little extra TLC into this truck because this truck means a lot to me for a lot of fucking reasons. Believe it or not, this was one of the very few first trucks I ever bought and paid for. Not too many folks know about that. short video I did, having a nice little crackle. This is the truck. Oh yeah. So basically I'm gonna clean this whole truck up. Whole 9 yards, tune up, clean. So, and plus I gotta order some new gas tank brackets, because it's never a dull moment with me, because somehow I managed to put a little bit of redneck in my shit. The gas tank that I have on this truck is being held up by 2 ratchet straps. When I took the gas tank out and put a new fuel pump in about a year ago. So, I mean, it's such a nice little truck. I really love it. That's why I have a hard time letting this one go. One of my subscribers, I know him personally, and he knows the reason behind the story of this truck. So that's why I'm not getting rid of it. So hell, it has a rebuilt motor in it. So brand new tires. Had to get the exhaust refixed, cause it was just sitting at an angle all loose and shit. So yeah, plus I have to get this hood repainted too. If I don't use this hood, I will use it on my black pickup and just get an aftermarket hood for it. And plus I got a brush guard on this thing now. Had it laying around, so I just stuck it on here. So plus I those air coolant filters, there's one on here, so yeah. So I'm gonna take a little extra time with this, clean the fuel system out, get a new blower motor again, because it won't even turn on now. Fucking don't even know why. So yeah, I just figured jump on here, let y'all know I'm gonna be working on this truck a little bit more than normal, and plus I'm gonna put, ooh, hey there honey, but I'm gonna be putting new wheel wells in too. So anyways, y'all have a good day. Alright, later.